You can now manage your OKX portfolio and file your crypto taxes in a few simple steps. As a first step, log into your OKX account, and on the top right corner you will see assets. Click on it and navigate to my assets. Under my assets, select order center and click on trading account history. Now inside trading account history, you'll see the small download button. Click on it, select your account type and select your date range. For this example, I'm going to be choosing all the types here, and for the date range, I'm going to be going with the last month. A very important thing to keep in mind is the fact that if you want a comprehensive tax report for all of your trading activity, you have to export your entire OKX trading history from your OKX account. Now that might require you to export multiple CSV files because OKX restricts trading data to one single year per CSV file. But if you have any doubts or any queries, let us know down in the comment section. We will be more than happy to help you out. Once you've selected your account type and your date range, simply click on export. Now OKX hardly takes a couple of minutes to generate this entire history, and once it is done processing your CSV file, all you got to do is click on download. Now by default, all the downloads go to the download folder. Alright, so as a next step, navigate to funding account history and then click on download. Once again, choose your time frame and remember to download your entire funding account history if you want a comprehensive tax report for yourself. Once again, click on export. Once OKX is done processing, all you got to do is click on download right here. Now as a next step, head on to kryptos.io and sign up using your Google account, which is hardly going to take a couple of minutes. Now under menu, click on wallet/exchanges and in the search bar, look for OKX. Now you can choose to integrate your OKX account with Kryptos using API keys as well, but for this video we are going to be uploading our CSV files. In here you can choose to name your wallet anything that you would like. Now make sure to drag and drop both the CSV files for your trading account and your funding account right here in this dialog box. With both the files uploaded, you can choose your time zone as the next step. Now once you're done filling all this information here, simply click on import your transactions. Now sit back and relax and allow CryptosCat to synchronize with your OKX transaction history, which will hardly take a couple of minutes. Now once the sync is completed, under menu you can navigate to reports and download your tax report right here. As you can see, there are multiple types of tax reports, and this is just a part of all the features that you can choose to make use of on Kryptos. Now under menu, if you navigate to transactions, you can take a look at all of your transactions that will be categorized for you, and the dashboard will give you an overall outlook of your entire OKX portfolio so that you can manage it better. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any thoughts, any doubts, any queries, let us know down in the comment sections, or you can simply reach out to us at support@kryptos.io. We will be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for choosing Kryptos.